Hey guys, I'm John Garage, and I have a question for you. Have you ever bought a multi-tool that had a little screwdriver bit holder and you've been like, oh boy, that means that I can put any sort of bit that I want into it, only to find out that there's only certain kinds you can put in because it only takes ball detent ones and you are trying to use ones that you can't use a ball detent with, and then it just slides out? Well, if that's you, then I have a little solution I'm going to go over with you today. And that comes in the form of these tiny itty bitty little baby magnets that I found off Amazon for a whopping $8. There's 200 of these bad boys, and they're actually 5 millimeters wide by 1 millimeter deep. So I figured, hey, you know, I could place one or maybe two or perhaps even three of these inside of here and use another thing I purchased, which is called super glue, to make sure that it doesn't come out of it. And by doing that, I could make sure that any of these little bits that I put in will be able to stay secure. But there's another little issue here, and that's that if you can see here, it doesn't stick out very far because for whatever reason with these ball detent bit holders, they're just so long because they have to, you know, fit in the whole thing. So for one of these, I'm gonna try putting in like 4 magnets just to make it a little bit longer, and then we can find out together if ball detents will still work in there. But yeah, so I'll do a few of each, and let's just kind of get started here. I have several different things I'm going to be trying to put together, or should I say magnetize. I think these are it. And this should also solve the issue of like, oh, I have my special magnetic bits, but then if you forget them or leave them at home or something, then this allows you to use any bit. It doesn't matter if they're magnetized already or not because your tool itself is magnetized. And I also want to say they do have these little magnetizer things that you like put the bits into and it's supposed to magnetize them. I got one and I tried using them on the actual bit holder part and it didn't work at all, so don't do that. Instead, get yourself some super glue, some little itty bitty magnets, and do what I am about to do. So before I dive in and screw up all my multi-tools on accident, I'm gonna just do a little test here. I put a magnet on one of these bits and I'm gonna attach it to here, and it sticks, so that should be a good sign that once the bottom part of it's super glued to the inside of the bit driver, it should hold the bit. That's the theory, but in practice, I guess we'll find out together. I think what I'm gonna do is these 4, I'll just put one of these little magnets into, and with this one, I'll put maybe 3. Because this is one of those things where it's easy to add more and it's much less easy to subtract them. Because imagine taking 2 of these tiny little magnets that are super glued together and removing them. Oh, it's gone. That thing just straight up evaporated. Okay, but let's get this started here. I'm just going to put one of these little magnets on each of these bits. Oh, I hate magnets. But I love them. Just can't put them too close or they start flying away. Okay. Bam. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. This is actually a gel type of super glue. I figured it might be better so it doesn't run all over the friggin' place, and maybe it'll just affix a little bit better, but we'll see. I've never actually used like a gel type one. Here goes nothing. Oh. Oh God. Oh Jesus. The super glue just keeps coming out, and this one I got it all over the. Oh God. Why does it get in there? Oh God. The bits are gonna be super glued inside. No, they're not. Everything's going fine. I'm not getting it all over my fingers. And now the grand finale for this. You know, as I'm doing this now, I don't know if I'm gonna put. Get in there. Yes. This one was being a little punk, but The rest are complying. Let's try 3, just to see if it gets it far enough out, and then also lets me be able to use the double-sided ball detent bits. Maybe I'll just, here, oh God, I'm gonna put on a glove, like some sort of coward. I don't want to super glue all my fingers together before the weekend because I'm gonna go play some banjo. I think the trick is to avoid getting it on the bit. Oh, it smells poorly. Oh no. Man, some of these are just flying all over the place. Okay, there we go. And now I'm just gonna let these sit for a little while, probably a day or so, and I'll come back. And we will figure out together whether this little experiment worked. I was told many times in the comments after I kept whining and complaining about like, oh, I wish it was magnetic. They just said, hey man, go get yourself a tiny little magnet and stuff it down in there and glue it or whatever. And that'll take care of all your whining. So this is kind of, you know, this has been a long time coming, and I hope that I haven't been led astray, because if I have, I would feel so bad. I will return another day to see how this went. I've also went ahead and marked how many magnets were in each thing, and I also went a little overboard and started marking what each thing is. So, oh, I missed a spot. Alrighty, I'm back. It's been like 2 or 3 days, or oh my god, that's bright. Here's a fun tip if you need to make some days pass by, just, you know, take a big long nap. So let's test this out, starting with this one over here. Let's take out our little, oh no. Okay, it came out. We're good. Let's try one of these. So I kind of used these like dummy bits that I don't care about, in case they get like, you know, super glue slag on them or something, but let's try this out with this one. Oh, it works. Goes in easy, and it actually stays in place like it was always supposed to. So that's with one of those tiny magnets in there, and it stays in great. Wow. Let's try putting a ball detent one in just to see if that'll still work with it. Yeah. Oh boy. Yep, still, the detent still works, and even if it's not working, I guess the magnet's holding it in there. Holding it in there pretty good. I mean, nice. I just heard a banging sound. Okay, so that's a success. I'm assuming it'll be the same for all of these. Let's try this out. Yep, that one works. Oh god, some of these are kind of stuck in there, probably just the super glue remnants. So let's pop that out. Come on. But the magnet didn't come out though, so that's good. Alright, here we go. It sticks. It sticks. That's very good. I'm so happy. It worked. Thank you, God. Okay. Oh boy, they're all still working. Detent, yes. So I'm guessing this one that has 4 on it, the detent, or yeah, I don't think the detent one is going to work too well. There we go. Well, that popped one of the magnets off, but that's okay because I don't care about these bits. So let's see if these other things still work in there. Yeah, it goes in. And it's not, that ain't going nowheres. Awesome. Yeah, this worked really well. Let's try some of the other bits that I do care about. Namely the Phillips. Wait, what even are these? Oh, they're like security Torx bits. Oh well, they'll be fine. I didn't hurt the bit part of them. Goes in great. And actually, that makes it even better for this one, and that's kind of why I wanted to put the 4 in there, is because like the tip of the bits sticks out a little bit further. Because like compare that to one of these where it's like, well, I guess that Stick some farther. I guess this was just a really deep one over here. Oh man. I mean, that's a stubby little thing there, but you can put in these, you know, extender bits. Easy peasy, and now those don't fall out. You don't have to do what I used to do, which is wrapping a piece of tape around here to give it extra girthiness. Now you can just do whatever you want. And again, that's with only one of these magnets in there. So like you don't even have to go overboard unless you want to make it like more shallow inside, I guess, to have bits stick out further. So I guess this one will have 3 magnets in it now because one got ripped off. Whoa! The ball detent still works. Oh my god. So yeah, I guess, I don't know. Just go ham with the however many magnets you want to put in. That's great. All right. Well, we all learned something here. Not that I learned anything. I knew it was going to work, but I just wanted to prove it to everyone on camera. And you know, if anyone's ever been out there being like, "You idiot, you need to put magnets in there," and you didn't trust them, well, now you can look back and be like, okay, maybe not everyone on the internet is a big liar. But yeah, go ahead and do this. I'll have links to the stuff I used in the description, and if it worked for me, it'll certainly work for you. Thank you for watching, and I hope this maybe helped you in some way. All right, and with that, I'm going back to sleep. Goodbye.